Here. Hey guys, today we are heading to the water fountain in downtown Chattanooga. We are going to go get cool on a really hot day. It's like 95 degrees. So hey. Hey, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all ready to go to the fountain?
Yeah, come.
We miss Sissy. She normally is right there. We miss her. We miss you, Layla. You ready, Mommy?
Yep.
And safety first. We are finally at the fountains. It is hot and it feels good. You set up over here? Hey, you excited? You gonna get wet? Gonna get wet?
Yeah. Hey, are you gonna get wet?
Okay, who's gonna be the first to go get in and get wet? Let's go. In? Dude, that went up way high. Hey, get in it, dip your head in. Do it, do it. Do it. How you feel?
Very refreshing.
Good. Well guys, that is it for us. We are done. We've been out here for a little over an hour. Had an awesome time out here at the fountains at Chattanooga. You should check it out. Go down there. Water is awesome. The scenery in the town is beautiful. Hey guys, what do y'all think?
I think good.
Think good? Good.
Yeah.
You heard it, folks.